Hey guys, today we're going to be hanging up some lights on the ceiling in here so we can actually see. I'm going to go ahead and use these little outlet adapters and pull out the current light bulbs in the ceiling, and then I'm going to just plug right in. So then when I flip my switch in the garage, it will turn on the light bulb socket but power these LEDs. So yeah, let's get to mounting. Are you kidding me? Oh no! It's a 3-prong, and this is only 2. What will I ever do? Let's unpack this 5,500 lumen Braun LED linkable shop light, 4 feet. Got it from Harbor Freight for about 25 bucks. Okay, so there's the light. Cool. And it comes with a little pull string. That's nice. So no on-off switch, just like a little pull string. Ooh, and that's super long. Looks like it's got a 3-prong plug. And let's see how long this cable is. It's a 4-foot light. The cable looks like it's about almost 5 foot, so a pretty long cable too. Let's plug it in and see what it looks like when we turn it on. Ooh, and that's on. You can see how bright that is. All right, time to do it again. Okay. Nice. Oh, are you kidding me? I thought that the switch would do both. I just put my ladder away. So before, after. It's a lot better. So this is before.
Wow.
Okay, now turn that off. This is after.
Oh my. Oh my. And now, all the lights.
But isn't that pretty bright?
Good job, honey.
Woohoo! Oh, we got a chop saw too. So we can cut our floors.
Such a fancy little man.
But I'm gonna wire these into the switch so that you just turn the switch instead of pulling these stupid little strings.
You're such an engineer.
No.
Good job, honey.
No. Cool. Nice! Now I can actually see stuff. That's how you put up garage lights. And thanks for watching Stuie's Garage. That's very nice.